Hi, and welcome to IBM Resilient. This video will show you how to import the Resilient license. Before you can start use of the Resilient platform, you must first import the license that you obtained from us. Attempting to access the appliance before importing this license, you will see the following screen. The license file does not yet exist on the platform. To import the license, you must log into the appliance using an SSH client, such as PuTTY on Windows or the Terminal app on Mac OS X and Linux. Here's how to copy the file from your local machine to your Resilient appliance. We'll use Terminal in Mac OS X for this example. We'll use the scp command. You want to specify the file that we're sending over, in my case license.key. The next step is to specify the user and the host of the Resilient app. Typically it's the resadmin user. And here it can either be the host name or the IP address. A colon. And here we're going to specify the directory in which the license key is going to be sent. This part you can send to any directory, but we'll send it to the home/resadmin directory. You'll be prompted for the user's password that you specified in the command. Then the file is sent over. Next step is to actually log into the Resilient appliance to import the file. Here we'll be using the SSH command and using the same credentials as before, the resadmin user at this particular host. Again, you'll be prompted for their password and you will then be logged in. There are two ways that you can import the license file into Resilient, and they both utilize the sudo license import command. The first way is to specify the file itself. So after license import, we'll want to include the file argument and specify the file. In the previous step, we scp'd the file to the home resadmin directory. Once the command is complete, you press enter. You'll be prompted for the password, and the import process will begin. Once the license file is imported, the output will show the customer name, the date of expiry, and the modules that are enabled, and the amount of users that are allowed to use the platform. The second way to import the Resilient license is to paste the contents of the file right on the command line. Again, we'll be using the sudo license import command. You'll be prompted for your password, and then you'll be asked to actually paste the content. Once you are prompted to do so, you will want to make sure that you include the begin license and end license tags. Once the content is pasted, you press enter, and you should be greeted with the same output, including customer name, expiry, modules enabled, and user count. After the license is imported, once you navigate to your host again, you should be prompted with the login screen, like so. If after a while you would like to verify the status of your license or to recall the expiry date, you can use the sudo resutil license command. You may be prompted for your user password again. After the contents of the license is gathered, it will be presented to you in an output similar to when you initially imported the license.
Thank you for your time and attention. Please refer to the IBM Security Learning Academy for more training resources.